Hello there guys, and welcome to this Budgie breeding update for the 25th of March 2017. Spring is really in swing now. Loads of chicks, and my wife's been out there checking the chicks today. So here we go guys, hope you're okay. So here we can see the latest chick that's out, the green chick with its brother. Here he was a bit earlier. Here we can see the chicks, 4 chicks in one box, all beautiful colours, and my wife just had to hold 1 or 2.
No flying.
And here's one of the 2 chicks that at one point I wasn't sure would make it, but now it's looking very nice indeed. Here's a quick look at some of the birds, some of the boys in the main aviary after we did a little check. If you like these videos guys, please hit the like button. If you want to see more, subscribe, check back often because it's going crazy at the moment. And I'm going to have lots of chicks to show you in the coming weeks. So thanks for watching guys, and see you next time. There's a bonus clip. I decided to give my finches and canaries some fresh bath water today and they loved it.